Hi, so here I'm sharing the solution and my process of solving it for PIPS. This is Saturday, September 27th, level hard. So, in the beginning, this felt like a very overwhelming uh, level, and it was so complicated and huge, and my usual tactics didn't work. I started then from the bottom left corner, and that one was a little obvious because the only three I had with a one, that was the only one I could do. There was no three and zero. The next one after that was also easy because to have a sum of one, I needed a zero there. And the one above that needed to be a one, so it had to be a zero and a one. After that, I kind of got a little stuck because one side there was a 2 and the other side there was a 4, and both had uh, various options and various sides. So then I decided to start from the bottom right corner. Again, the 4 and the 2 and the 2 and the 6 were a little obvious. Uh, because the other options were 4 and 4 or 4 and 3, and I did not have a 3 and 2 or a 4 and 2. Then I needed a 2 and 6 because 6 plus 6 plus 6 is 18, and that was the only option possible there. So once I got the 6 and 2, the other two, 6 and 0 obviously was because the sum had to be 0. 6 and 1 was easy because that was the only one left. This was actually an easy one to solve because 6, 6 and 6 is the only combination for 18 that is possible. Um, Next, I did have a 3 and a 4, but if I had done that, I felt like my other options, 5 and the equal to, and then equal to and 4 or equal to and 2, that would not have fit. So 5 and 3 was the option there that was possible, just so that I could have a 3 and a 4 and I did not have a 3 and a 2. 2 and 0 again, very easy. After that, getting the 3 there, I mean, I needed a 3, and this was the only one that was left for me. So these are not equal tiles, the 5 of those. For that, this was the only option of 4 that was possible, so the other 4 went in the 5 non-equal ones. The 2 and 1, the others were just easy and